Comes with a 6.77-inch curved AMOLED display in Pakistan, giving a large and immersive view kappa. The SAW system-on-chip is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm, which provides strong performance for multitasking and gaming. Memory and storage, variant options such as 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and higher, 512GB, giving plenty of space and multitasking headroom. First capital, rear camera setup, 50MP main sensor with Zeiss optics in marketing, delivering high-resolution shots and good light capture. First view kappa, battery pack, a large 6000 mAh approx cell in this model, which, charging, supports 90 watts fast charging, enabling the battery to fill quickly when you're short on time. Build and durability. The phone reportedly features IP68 or P69 rating in some listings for dust and water resistance, stronger than many in this price range. TechJuice software ships with Android 15 or top version with Vivo's Fun Touch OS or variant OL, giving modern OS display features. High refresh rate, 120Hz in many regions, smooth scrolling and responsive UI. First capital. Design. Relatively slim profile for a big battery device and premium finish suggested by marketing/specs. TechJuice connectivity, full 5G support, SA, NSA and global spec lists, and broad network band support referenced in Pakistan listings. TechJuice 2, value price, in Pakistan indicates around PKR X13999, 156GB, 1 X149999, 512GB, at launch. First capital, +16. Trade-offs. Given the high specs and large battery, you may have a heavier device versus budget/mid-range phones. Also, premium price means more investment. Longevity. With a top SoC, large battery, and premium build, should serve well for 2 to 3 years. But future update policy, software 8 service, may matter locally. Suitability. Ideal for users wanting a flagship light experience, big battery, 5G, large display, strong camera, and who are comfortable with higher budget.